Hello, today we're going to install a direct injection FM antenna adapter, the FM direct antenna adapter for satellite radio from SiriusXM into my Tesla Model 3. And we're going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, you're going to need three things. You're going to need your SiriusXM FM direct adapter. This theoretically comes in two types, one with a longer cord, which is the one you need, but it's out of stock, and I suspect out of stock forever. I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm going to use the one with the shorter cord. Cost me less than $15 on Amazon, and I'm going to put an extension on it. And then you're going to need your Bing Fu antenna adapter. I'll give the part number for it. That was also on Amazon. This adapts from the Sirius FM direct adapter to the funny connector on your antenna. If you want to retain FM radio, you're going to need this one also. It's a different Bing Fu adapter. I'm going to leave this one off. I'm not going to put it on because there's some reports that strong radio stations will overcome your Sirius XM adapter, and I don't really use the radio, so I'm going to just return this. Okay, this is my Model 3. It's a 2020 model year, and let's take a look. You have to hook it up to your FM radio module, which isn't quite where I would have expected it to be. It's right inside here. So I'm sitting in the back seat, and it's just about this spot. This piece comes off easily. You just reach your fingers under here, and you kind of yank it off, and off it comes. There's a clip in the back there. It's a little trickier. I don't think I can get it with one hand, but this is very easy to take off. But there it is. That's what it looks like. It hangs down from these straps. This one at least can be taken off if you want to. I've never figured out the other one, but it doesn't matter, because what you're interested in is right here. That's the radio connector. That just pops up like that, and then you need to take a screwdriver, which I had right here. Here we go. Here it is. Take a screwdriver, pry this sucker off. It's on there pretty tight. There it goes. And voila. There it is. You simply plug in this adapter, the Bing Fu, your famous Bing Fu, and voila, that's it. And now you have the right connector that you need for your FM Sirius radio adapter. Okay, so I now have the FM adapter hooked up to the Bing Fu, which is, let's see, let's show it right here. It's hooked up to there, right? That's what you want. Okay, so now how to run the wire back to the front of the car. I'm going to take off this bolster right here. That's easy. You just open your door. This sucker just pulls right off. There we go. It's held on by a clip right there. That clip right there. Okay, so that will expose this area here. And I'm going to go down through, I believe this is called the C-pillar, and we will send the wire down that way, avoiding the curtain airbag over here. Okay, piece of cake like I expected. C-pillar cover pulled right off, just sort of yanked it firmly. Out that comes, and now I've got full access to get where I want to do. I'm going to route this behind, can you see my finger? This is the side curtain airbag. I'm going to go sort of behind it so I don't get in the way of it. And then we're going to go down the C-pillar here, and then down this area. And we're going to go inside this piece right there, which I'll pull off as well. And then it's easy. That's how you do this. Okay, there it is. This is sitting, the FM modulator sitting right under there. Wiring comes on up to there, underneath the airbag, and up to the unit. And I'm going to hide all that underneath. It'll fit easily underneath this trim piece, which I'm just going to put back on. because I took that bolster off. It's a clear run for the wiring down across. Easy peasy. So the final step is an extension cable. This is a male to female 2.5 millimeter extension cable. It's monaural, it's a mono, so it's 2-conductor. There's you can see there's only sort of one stripe here. That's the insulator between the ground right there and the signal right there. The stereo ones have 2 stripes, 2 insulators. And then this side, the FM Direct adapter plugs into that. This side plugs into your Sirius radio. And I'm going to route this all down this direction and across. And that's going to be it. It's going to be done. Okay, I was able to pop all that back together in just a few seconds here. A little bit tricky lining up the clips, but yeah, it's done.